to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. So let's get started. You can do this both on the mobile app and also on your PC. I recommend you doing it on PC because it's really fast and easy to do. But however, if you don't have PC with you right now and you want to do it on your mobile device, you can do that. So first of all, you gotta open the Ticketmaster website and log into your account. So you need to sign in, or obviously if you have some existing tickets in your account, you'll need to sign into your account. And once you do so, you gotta click on sell over here. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to another interface. Okay, so here is sell on Ticketmaster, where you can list your tickets. So you can sell your tickets in 3 easy steps. First of all, you gotta select tickets to sell. So if you purchase tickets from Ticketmaster and the event organizer has enabled a resale for your event, you can list your tickets from your account. So you can just click over here and you can select tickets to sell. And after that, you're in control. You can set your price using your pricing tool and see exactly how much you'll be paid when your tickets sell. And last but not the least, when your tickets sell, you'll get paid via selected method of a payment, typically within 7 business days after the event. So it is basically a hassle-free selling with Ticketmaster. And after knowing all the steps, you can head over and you can click on your account over here. So you can just go back and here click on sign in or register, or like my account over here. And then you're going to click on upcoming events. So once you click on upcoming events, they're going to fetch your tickets and all of your upcoming events tickets that you have. Now, if you have tickets over here, you'll be able to see a sell button appear at the right side of that specific tickets. And you can just click on it, set a price, and then your tickets would be listed. So that was basically how you can sell tickets on Ticketmaster. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.